Hi, it's Erin with Snowberry Design Co. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I post a new watercolor video every week. In today's video, I'll be painting this holiday border motif. This painting would be perfect for a print or a card with a sentiment or a quote written in the center. I'll also have a link to my Amazon store with all of the products I use regularly listed there, so be sure to check that out if you're interested. To start, I'm using a variety of reds to paint in these little circles that will be my berry groupings. I'm using Perylene Scarlet and Alizarin Crimson for the most part. Next, I'm using Undersea Green to paint in some of those stems and leaves and connect all of the circles together. Now I've added in a larger leaf that I added some yellow to, just to help warm up the painting a little bit. I think the color is quinacridone gold. Next, I'm using a brown to add in some little sprigs. Now I'll repeat that same thing in the next corner, starting with my circles, connecting the stems, and then I'll add some of these other leaves to fill in the space. There's no real rhyme or reason to which elements I'm placing down on the paper. I'm just adding a little bit at a time until all of the large spots of white space are filled in. Next, I'm adding in some smaller details to my larger leaves, and then to the tops of my berries. Now I flipped my paper upside down and I'll just repeat everything I just painted, and this time I'm working on similar elements at the same time on both sides. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for weekly watercolor videos. Thanks again for watching. Bye!